A new report says states have collected more than $250 billion in legal settlements against big tobacco over the last 15 years. 22 News State House reporter Christine Lee joins us live from Boston, where she discovered how little of that money is actually going toward urging people to stop smoking.
Massachusetts receives a lot of money in tobacco taxes and penalties, but when it comes to directing that money toward programs that help people quit smoking, well, the Commonwealth ranks close to the bottom compared to the rest of the country. Anti-tobacco health groups released a report that says Massachusetts will collect about $950 million in revenue from tobacco-related taxes and penalties this fiscal year. But only $4 million of those dollars will actually go towards smoking cessation programs.
It's quite frustrating, quite disappointing.
Massachusetts ranks 36th amongst states overall when it comes to receiving tobacco penalties and spending it on programs that help people quit and prevent kids from smoking. Such programs provide nicotine patches, counselors, and other resources to crack down on tobacco use.
And unfortunately, there's not enough of those resources available because the program is so underfunded.
The state's top public health officials admit they're not spending money on anti-tobacco campaigns like they used to.
And I think it's less about the money that's done.
It may not compare to $50 million many years ago, but I think Massachusetts has made great progress.
Public health officials say Massachusetts has one of the lowest smoking averages in the country. Roughly 15% of people smoke in the state. They say their strategy to combat smoking has changed from expensive ad campaigns to individual counseling and intervention. Public Health Commissioner Cheryl Bartlett says the state's next project to get people smoking less is to convince more multi-housing properties to go smoke-free. Live at the State House, Christine Lee, 22 News.